welcome to Soap Bakes the Cakes. Today I'm going to be making a funfetti cake with cream cheese frosting and rainbow sprinkles. Let's go. So I'm going to put this in the microwave to soften it for around 30 seconds. And it's in for 30 seconds. And while that is happening, I am going to get my brown sugar. And I'm going to do 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup. So this is half of 1 cup, and then we're going to do the other half. Okay, we're going to put that into the bowl. It looks like our butter is ready. And we are going to go get our butter. Okay, so now we have our butter, melted butter in with our sugar, and we are going to make this until it's a cream. That looks about perfect. Now we are going to add in 2 eggs. And we are going to lift this up. And here is the other. Okay, so we have our eggs in the bowl, and now we are going to add in a little bit of vanilla. And that's about good. So next we are going to measure our dry ingredients. Okay, so now we are going to be adding in our salt and baking powder. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of salt, which is 2 of these. And now I'm going to add in 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, and we are going to lightly whisk that with our spoon. And now we are going to add in our milk. Okay, so now we are going to add in our milk to our batter. This should be good. We already added in some of the flour, and now we are going to mix. Okay, that looks about good. And we are going to add a little bit more of this flour, like let's say 2 spoonfuls. 2 heaped spoonfuls, or actually let's do more than that. Okay, that should be good. And then milk. And now we are gonna mix. Okay, this looks perfect. 3 thumbs up when you're ready. And we're going to add in the rest of this dry ingredient. Actually, first we're going to do the milk. Because if you don't do the milk, then the dry ingredients will not get incorporated. So we're going to add in the rest of our dry ingredients. we are gonna mix. Okay, we are gonna pour this into the cake pan. And it looks perfect. Now that's it. That's it. That's good.
Enough?
Yes, that is good. And we're gonna save some of the batter for our next cake. So we're gonna tap this out a little, and now we are gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are gonna bake. Okay, so here is the finished cake.